Come on. Where? Is it recording already?
Pag nakailaw na dyan.
Wow. You have a house.
Ask permission from your house that you're bringing down. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the puppet show. Where is Sir Brian? Just for a minute. I told him to document all the... Did you take pictures for the first brew?
Oh, no.
There's a picture.
Dapat grupan.
1, 2, out of memory.
That's speed.
Babalikan tayo na yung pagkatapos nila. Grupan. Picture. Pictures.
Yeah. We're going to bring it down.
Bring it down.
Bring it down, baby.
Bring it on.
Easy.
Go. You may start.
Lights, camera, action.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. We are here to present to you a role play entitled My Home by Marites and Super Friends. Life in a call center starts with this.
Hello, good morning. This is Bob. How can I help you?
And ends with this.
Thank you for calling, sir. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
But before you can be a call center like them, you need to go through a lot of intensive interviews just like this.
During the interview scenario, the question and answer portion. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you, sir.
So, tell me something about yourself.
I'm Josephine Pisalan, 31 years old from Capasterra. I'm married with one kid. I was worked before in McDonald's for 5 years. That's it, sir.
So, what's the edge that differentiates you to other applicants?
I believe that my uniqueness to the other applicant that I have is my knowledge, skills, and ability that I have learned in my training at Gold Gates Academy. I will bring my experience. I believe that I can maximize my skill for the benefit of the company. That's all, sir.
Okay, so you're hard. Okay, you can start by tomorrow.
Oh, thank you, sir. I will. And if you are qualified for that job, your job will be like this.
Dun, dun, dun.
Marites, Marites versus best friends at the park.
Hi. Hey, Martes, how are you? Why are you not in the party last night?
What party?
The birthday party of Jessie.
I don't know that. Why didn't text me?
Well, I texted you yesterday. Me too, but you didn't reply.
I didn't receive any text message. Maybe there's something wrong with my phone. Anyway, I have to go. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Take care.
At home scenario, Marites will call the customer service.
Hello, good morning. This is Starly. What can I help you?
Oh, I'm really sick with my phone. Gosh.
Oh, sorry for the inconvenience. But before that, how will I call you, ma'am?
Oh, just call me Marites.
Oh, ma'am Marites, what's the problem?
My phone is not receiving any text messages. What would I do?
Have you tried to refresh your phone?
How is that?
Okay, just put down or turn off your phone for 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, turn it on.
Oh, okay, I will do that. And how would you successful or not?
Send a message for yourself. Then, if you receive, it means it worked.
Okay, I will try. Thanks.
Is that all your concern, ma'am?
Yes, that's all. Goodbye.
Okay, thank you for calling. Have a nice day. Bye.
During the break time of the call center agent.
Oh. Hey, are you done? It's already our Ox 1.
We shouldn't take our break. It's already time. Okay, let's go.
Oh, come on.
Magic curtain. Pusa.
In the cafeteria.
Oh, it's a little cold in here. Hey,
Alright.
want some coffee? Have some? Want some
Oh,
cigarette?
yeah.
Have some? It's cold in here, huh?
I'm so sleepy. Me too.
So, Star and Mia, how's your calls?
Nice. It's good. My client's home.
How about you, Star?
It's okay, but I realized that every time you call, you should be calm and patient, or else we're done.
Oh, exactly.
Hey, let's go. It's already time. Oh,
Oh, really?
come on.
Marites versus best friends at the park.
Hi guys.
Hey, Martes, how's your phone now?
Oh, it's okay now. It's receiving text messages now.
Oh, it's good for you.
Yeah, and thanks to the nice customer service agents who really helped me to solve my problem. Huh?
And that's the end of the story.
The lesson of this story is during job interview, you should be confident
and while answering the question of the interviewer. You need to keep an eye-to-eye contact and be true to yourself.
And during answering calls, you need to answer your client with a professional manner and always be calm.
Always think that your call is the best call.
Yes.
Paul? Habitly? Let's see, Ryan. And you went there, I'm sorry, I didn't take a picture. Okay. Where are the narrators about that? Narrators. Narrators, where are you? Some people were in front a while back, right? You have to go in front. The last scene. Ah. Group 1, take a picture too.
Mike.